guys are wondering what size these LEDs are actually in that I'm using today, these are actually T10s. And like I said, I will link these in the description so you guys can get some for yourselves. And these are just in white, and so they should be pretty bright. But they have other colors as well. If you guys want to upgrade your interior lights to blue or yellow or whatever, I believe they have those colors as well. So I'm going to assume that these dome lights come out just like in my 2003 CR-V. So let's try just prying the front right here. Hopefully this works. If it does, I'll show you guys on the other side a little bit closer. So I didn't like how the flathead was filling on here, so I did pull out my plastic little trim piece. And also, I can't find any little notches where it would go, so I'm just going to use this on here, probably use the thin side first, and just pull it towards the outside. Let's see how this works. All right, that really scared me. So basically what I did was just wedge along this side back here and then pull, slightly pry on the sides over here. There are little clip sides in the back here that are towards this way that you have to pop out. I couldn't see that, and I couldn't really see these little clips, but there are clips in the back here that need to be pulled out. So let me show you guys one more time. That's what the incandescent looks like. And this is what it looks like with it open. Now that that's done, let's pull out this side. Okay, so let's try it while holding the camera. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do this. It's really difficult. Okay, so I don't think I can do it while holding the camera, but what I basically just did was pry it over here. Once I got it out, hold it with one finger over here, and then just pry these corners right here, it will come right out. So let's get it out really quick. Okay, there it goes. Yep, there it goes. And then I'll use the small side on the corner over here and just pop it out. There we go. One side out. Let's get this other side. And it feels like it's gonna break, but it's not gonna break. There's just little clips. There's one right here and one right there, and I think it just pivots on these. So I believe these clips are what are holding them in, and it just pivots right there, and then there's nothing holding it in on this side. So now that we got the covers off, I'm going to pull out these incandescent, ugly, dull yellow light bulbs, and then throw in these awesome Lasfit LEDs. So let's pull these out really quick. And it's easy as that. It's just wedging it. It's just like basically prying it left and right until it pops out. Let me save that right here. And then I probably will save these just because I like to save everything. Make sure in case I ever need a spare or something, I'll have these. So now let's pull these beautiful Lasfit LEDs out. Let me pull them out of the package really quick. Okay, so here's the LED, and these are actually really high quality and really nice. It says Lasfit on it. There's an LED on one side, LED on the other side, and an LED at the top. So this thing is going to be really bright, and it's going to be lighting up the whole area, which is really nice. And not to mention, I believe it is a metal, looks like maybe an aluminum housing on this. Like the whole thing is made out of metal, which is really nice. So this is really high quality. So let's get this thing installed and see what they look like. Okay, so I already have one in. Now what you want to do with LEDs is test them before you end up putting it back together. Sometimes you could put LEDs in the wrong way. I believe there are LEDs that will work both ways if I'm not mistaken, but you definitely want to test them. Sometimes they won't work in one direction. Okay, let's test them. That is super bright. Wow, that's way brighter. I don't even want to look at it with my eyes, just the camera. That is way brighter than with the stock incandescents. That is beautiful. Now let's put these covers back on again and see what they look like with the covers. Now, like I said, guys, it feels like you're going to break it when you're taking them off, but there are clips on here, so it's really going to put up a struggle, but you'll get them off if you're gentle and you just wedge them off on the sides right here. They'll come right off. Wow, that is so bright. That is so bright. Okay, let's try the next one. Oh yeah, Okay, so those are super bright. So you're definitely going to see your interior a lot better with these lights. They're a lot brighter, but also you could see the mats down there a lot better, and they're going to look better as well as last a lot longer. LED lights last so much longer than incandescents, and these are really high quality ones. I really like them. I think it looks great in here. The lighting alone is a big upgrade. Going from the incandescent dim yellows to this bright white is really nice. I definitely recommend these lights. I think they're well worth it, and now my Type R is just going to be even better. Okay, so now with the dome light, there are 2 notches in the back here towards the back seats. I'm just gonna pry it with a flathead screwdriver, get this out, and then we'll start replacing the lights in this dome light. So I'm gonna try to do it on camera. Obviously, you're probably not gonna be able to see too well, but I do try to do as much as I can in real time instead of just showing you guys the outcome. I wanna show you guys what the process looked like and how difficult it could have been. Because a lot of the times a project's supposed to be easy and you end up running into all kinds of problems. Okay, I don't know if this flathead's gonna work. Let me try a different one. I have a bunch of flatheads on this multi-tool. Okay, it's coming out pretty easily. That's not bad at all. Okay, let's try the other side. Try to pry this thing out. There it goes. That was easy. Just like in the CR-V, I believe it was about the same process at least. Really easy, and definitely an easy upgrade that you could do to your car as well. Try not to scratch this thing too much or dent it. Okay, there we go. And it's out. So easy. That was even easier than the front. Obviously, it's just one cover versus 2, and there's just one LED in here. We're going to replace this LED and see how it looks. I cannot get this thing with my fingers and the sweat on my fingers. It is really difficult. I thought this would be even easier than the front. It's just one bulb and one cover. I'm going to have to sit here and pry this thing. It is in there really good. So I just got the bulb out. It took a while and my hands were a little sweaty, so it was a little harder, but what I did was just wedge it and wedge it. I think I wedged it up and down, and it's such a small space, it was very difficult. I had to get on the passenger side and like put my hand this way and just maneuver it and wedge it. And like I said, I think I wedged it up and down and it just started coming out. And also I pressed on the back, the bulb part, like the little fat part down here at the bottom with my other finger, and just pushed it while wedging it with my other hand. It came out. It's a really small space. It's really difficult. If you guys are doing this, it's gonna seem like it's impossible. I don't know, maybe mine was just really difficult, but what I did was just keep wedging it, like I said, from the passenger side and move my hand that way, and it ended up coming out, but it was in there really good. So let's throw in the new LED and let's see what it looks like. Just sitting on the seat, and here it is, just like the other one. It's really nice, really high quality. Let me pop this thing in, and hopefully it's not too difficult to replace when I need to replace it. I doubt it, because this is not as slippery as a little light bulb. This actually should come out a lot easier. At least it feels like it would. Okay, let's try this. And yeah, this thing is a little bit difficult to even go in. Okay, so let's try it, see how it works. That is super bright. Yes, I'm so happy. Okay, let's throw the cover back on and see what it really looks like. Okay, so there's the cover. Yeah, it looks like there are teeth on both sides, so I don't think it matters which way it goes in. And whoa, that's not good. Okay, let's see. Go in. There it goes. And why won't this side go in? There it goes. Okay, so that is so bright. That is actually really bright. That's what it looks like with just the dome light, which it's pretty good. It's obviously super dark in here, like you could barely see, and the dome light is pretty bright. Like, I have to say, it is really good. It's a really good dome light, and it's definitely brighter than that incandescent. I'm not a big fan of the incandescents. Obviously, if your car comes with it, you got to deal with it. It's better than nothing. It's better than not having a light, but these LEDs obviously are a huge upgrade. So now let's see with some map lights what it's going to look like. And that's a huge difference, so much brighter than it was before. You could see a huge difference versus before, and obviously you can when you're just looking at it. Now, I'm gonna do a side-by-side so you can see what it looks like from before and after. I have to say, that is a big difference. Just on the camera, you can see a lot more glare, and it is just a lot brighter than it was before. Yeah, those look so much better, and they're just so much brighter. These just look really good. So obviously, just looking at the light bulbs, you can see a big difference, but looking in the interior, you're gonna be able to see a lot better. My carbon shines and just looks so much better at night now. You can really see all of that carbon in here. You can really tell what's going on a lot better. Carbon on the steering wheel as well. A quality mod like this that will upgrade your interior, make it look better, and is also functional is always a great mod. Now my interior looks so much better in the Type R. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you guys haven't already.